All eyes are now on the Senate as the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte moves closer to trial, with the prosecution panel now getting its house in order. And at the same time, the political temperature continues to rise after several lawmakers were hit with legal complaints linked to the House hearings. Bel Custodio tells us more.
Members of the prosecution panel are now preparing for the impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte, as the Senate is expected to convene on Monday. According to Mamamayang Liberal Party List Representative Laila de Lima, they are already discussing their possible appearance before the Senate.
Yung announcement galing sa Senate President is tungkol sa convening ng impeachment court. Now, kaming panel of prosecutors, we will be discussing kung pupunta na ba kami on Monday rin para magpakita na handa na kami at i-confirm yung pag-transmit ng articles of impeachment.
Meanwhile, Representative Chel Jokno stressed that the trial should begin immediately.
When the Constitution says conduct a trial forthwith, ang ibig sabihin ay ilatag ng ebidensya.
At the same time, De Lima, Jokno, and Representative Percy Sendanya personally went to the Quezon City Prosecutor's Office after being named in a complaint filed by Vice President Duterte's husband, Atty. Mads Carpio. The complaint cites alleged violations of the Bank Secrecy Law and the Anti-Money Laundering Act, following the disclosure of the couple's statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth and AMLAC records during the clarificatory hearing of the House Committee on Justice. Lawmakers, however, say the move is merely a diversion from the real issue and they are ready to file counter-charges once the case is dismissed.
Para sa amin, harassment yan. Wala akong katuturan itong ganitong kaso. And in fact, as I may add, kung ma-dismiss po itong kaso na to, pwede naman po kami mag-file ng counter-charges for damages, for malicious prosecution, even for perjury.
While Atty. Carpio comes stressed.
The Bill of Rights, doon po papasok yung right to privacy ni Atty. Mads being a private individual. They disclosed AMLAC records, therefore, may corresponding penalty po yan.
Hindi pwedeng i-weaponize ang batas para lang patahimikin ang mga gumagawa lang ng kanilang trabaho.
Aside from 3 lawmakers, those named in the complaint filed by Carpio include the Justice Committee Chairperson Jervil Luistro, as well as several officials from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and the Anti-Money Laundering Council filed before the Quezon City Regional Trial Court on April 27. Carpio also filed a separate complaint against Father Joel Saballa, Ramil Madriaga, and other impeachment complainants with 7.3 million pesos in damages before the Davao City Regional Trial Court on April 29. Bel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.